This RJ45 connector is ideal for Ethernet cables that you can make yourself. It features super clear, transparent plastic. This is ideal so you can see what you're working on. There are 8 gold-plated contacts. This is compatible with Cat5, Cat5e, and Cat6 cables. They could be the 24 or 26 AUG sized cables. You can follow along in the user manual. They give you these 2 typical A and B options. I'm going to use the B option. Make sure these are in the proper sequence, and once they are, you can insert them. Simply insert the cable, and then you can double check to make sure everything is in the proper orientation. Yes, everything looks good. That matches. You can use a specialized Ethernet tool, and then this will crimp everything down. That's it. Now with the connector crimped onto the casing, it will not go anywhere, and you could plug this in. It's good to have a very large pack of these. One benefit for making your own cable is you can make them any size that you need.